Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be testing the Pioneer HTP-076. We're gonna do a sound test, and please do let me know what do you think of the sound quality of this speaker and receiver system. Here it goes. This is the volume knob, and this is the screen with all the modes for this receiver. You also have some preset buttons, three, and you can customize to your liking. There's a 4K symbol that lights up whenever it receives a 4K signal. Here we have the source selector switch. If you want to change the source from TV to your game console to the streamer box or your FM tuner, you'll be selecting those through this knob. Here's the power button. We have a headphone jack. It's a quarter of an inch. Currently, the setup I'm using is a 3.1.2 Dolby Atmos. No rear surround speaker connected. Instead, I utilize the surround speakers as height channels. The setup I'm using is Apple TV 4K and Xbox One. The receiver is connected to the TV via the HDMI ARC connector. This is an old LG TV which supports HDMI ARC. Right now I am seated 3 meters in front of the TV and the speaker.
Right now, you're listening to where cinematic audio has been. Because we are so used to hearing sound this way, we don't notice that it is merely a fraction of what its potential could be. But what if sound could be extraordinary? Again. Engines are up and burning. Opening main doors for secondary deployment. What more dimensional. There's no need to wonder because you're listening to Dolby Atmos. With Dolby Atmos, audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back to all the way in front, arcs overhead, or moves anywhere in between. Today, you will feel every dimension. How does that sound?
That's my girl, that's my girl.
Ready to lose? I can't avoid this fight.
Get ready, fight!
I'm going to take my time with you. We settle this.
Get ready, fight! Get ready, fight!
You will never defeat me. You really want to fight this badly? I am ready.
Get ready, fight!
After using it for some time, I've noticed that the subwoofer, it gets loud, but it's not as deep bass as I remember from my old Onkyo system, which is having a 10-inch subwoofer. This one gets delivers the bass, but it's not as deep. You cannot feel the thumping bass when you're watching a movie. You can hear it, but it's a different feeling when the subwoofer's having a bigger driver compared to this, which is having a 6.25-inch driver only. The center and the left and right speakers are okay, nothing fancy, and it delivers as promised. Also, the subwoofer is a passive type. It doesn't require any external power. If you want to save on your electricity, this is a good option since you don't need to plug an extra device into your power socket. There you have it, guys. So what do you think of the sound quality of this receiver? Was it good or was it just okay? So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. That's all for now. Have a good day. Peace.